I'm not trying to get rich, I just don't want to lose any money. That's something I hear every single day. The people we represent are not looking for a windfall or to get more than they deserve. They're just trying to make things right after a crash that was not their fault. But here's the truth. If you don't handle your claim correctly, you can lose money, and sometimes there's no fixing it. I'm Ryan Wynn, founder of Wynn Injury Law, located in Richmond, Virginia, with offices throughout the state. If you've been injured in a car accident, you only have one shot at getting it right. In this video, I want to explain why having a personal injury attorney in your corner can protect you. Not just today, but for the problems that could show up months down the road. I can't tell you how many times I hear people say, I'm not the suing type. I just don't want to pay for someone else's mistake. If I had $1 for every time someone told me that, I could take my wife out to dinner every Friday for the rest of the year. And I'm not talking about just going to McDonald's. These are good people, hard-working Virginians that just happened to get hit by someone that was not paying attention. But what many don't realize is that the insurance company isn't there to protect you. They want to pay out as little as possible. All they care about is closing the claim. When you handle your claim on your own, the insurance adjuster may seem friendly. They'll say, we just want to help you get this wrapped up quickly. But once you sign that settlement, it's over. There's no going back. Let me provide a real life example. A few years ago, a young man in his 30s got injured in a motorcycle crash. He broke his wrist. Nothing major, or at least that's what he thought at first. The insurance company quickly offered him $5,000, and the young man took it, thinking he was coming out ahead. 6 weeks later, the cast came off, and the doctors told him he needed surgery. He reached out to me for help, but unfortunately there was nothing I could do. He had already accepted the settlement, and that $5,000 didn't even cover the surgery. You should never settle or talk money at all until you have been fully cleared by a doctor. I always tell people, you only get one shot at this. You must make sure you're protected, not just for your current injuries, but what may occur in the future as well. For anyone worried about privacy, we can absolutely keep the representation confidential. If you don't want anyone to know, that's fine. We'll communicate directly with the insurance company, but you still stay in control. You make the final call. You are the boss of your case. I always tell clients, you are the bus driver, but we're just here to help you steer. Here's the bottom line. You will never regret reaching out to a personal injury attorney, but you could regret it if you do not. If you've been injured in a car or motorcycle crash in Virginia, don't wait till it's too late. Reach out to us at Wynn Injury Law today. Let's make sure you're protected and you get the recovery you deserve. I'm Ryan Wynn, and thanks for watching. Take care of yourself out there, and always remember, Wynn Law is here for you, Virginia.